Okay, here's the video on the pictures from the computer. This is the maximum temperature of 68 degrees on top of the water heater, and there's a container, call it Utz cheese ball container, on top of the temperature. The Accurite. That's a stabilized temperature. The 61 degrees is the top of the tank, height at 6 feet away, that's ambient cellar temperature. 86.4 is not the maximum temperature I achieved with a single wrap. There's the device I used to put the sensor between the insulation and the tank. Here's the original wrap. There was a small wrap around the bottom, a narrow one. The paper wrap went down to the cement, and this joint was covered. Next to the next wrap, that joint was covered, this joint was covered, and so forth with the paper material. And that was bought at Lowe's. That was R19 EcoTouch. That was what it was. So there you have it. Now I will do this. I'll explain something here about your, come up, okay, right there. Oop. All right. I would encourage you to do your own temperature study using a sensor on an external thermometer. So what you can do, I recommend you do, is your sensor would be about, mine was about the size of a Q-tip. You just take a strip of paper, put it underneath there to hold it. You take 2 strips of Scotch tape to hold it in place, and then when you're done, you can just slip it out of there. And I would recommend that you put it right down in the middle of the tank, and I'll bet you probably get a temperature very close, maybe 100 degrees, depending on how hot you're heating the water.